is Sheila and welcome to my channel. On my channel I do unboxings of all sorts, so if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join me. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now guys, I'm closing in on the 1K mark. I'm trying to get there. So if you have not hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe. It would definitely mean the world to me. And when I do get to the 1K mark, I'm going to have a very nice giveaway to everyone. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so I have my TestTube Beauty for the month of, it's upside down, for the month of March. And I also have a couple friend mails. So before we get into the TestTube Beauty, I want to go and show you what friend mail I got. And the first friend mail I got is from Barbara Jean, and the name of her channel is Age is Just a Number. I will leave a link right up here to her channel. She has a fantastic channel, guys. She does eye makeup looks. Oh, she gets a lot of palettes, and she almost always creates an eye look and shows you how she does it. She does shopping hauls. She does thrifting for less looks. She puts together expensive looks. She will take an expensive look that she gets on Instagram or out of some magazine or something, and she recreates the look for less, and she does a really fantastic job at it. She has a very good eye for fashion. Her and Linda Roy are both pretty good, if you ask me. So let me go ahead and show you what she sent me. And she sent me a little Easter card, and it says, "Know what happens when you tell an Easter egg a joke?" What happens, folks? It cracks up. Ha ha ha, happy Easter. And she says, "Blessings, Barbara Jean." So thank you, Barbara Jean. That's very sweet. I love it. I love all the Easter colors. See, I got my Easter nails on too. So perfect, right? Okay, and the second friend mail I got is from Jean Louise. And Jean Louise is a fantastic YouTuber too, and I will leave a link to her channel up here. As a matter of fact, March 27th is her birthday. And if you guys are not subscribed to her, go over to her channel, wish her a happy birthday, and subscribe and tell her I sent you. But what she sent me, all of us ladies are doing this in honor of her birthday on March 27th. And we are doing this. And this is what she sent me. This is a snail honey jelly mask. And we are going to all crack up and have fun and apply this in honor of her birthday. So thank you, Jean Louise. I got your mask, so I'm ready to do this. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, so now on to the TestTube Beauty box. This is my TestTube Beauty box for the month of March. One of my favorite skincare products boxes that I received. I seen this one time on Alicia Martin's channel, and I saw her open it. I was blown away by the products that she got. They send you really good products. And I have not regretted it. I've been getting it for like a year now, and there has not been one box that I have been disappointed in. And that says a lot, because I do a lot of unboxings on my channel, and some boxes definitely let me down, and this one has not one time let me down. There's been a couple products that were like, okay, but the majority of them, I've loved everything that I've received. How much it cost, you might ask? $29.95 plus shipping and handling. But this box does not come every month. It only comes every 2 months. But they also have the yearly subscription where you would get 6 boxes for $149.75. So you'd save a little money if you decide to do the yearly one. So anyway, let's go ahead. I've already opened it, peeked inside, and this is the way it comes. It comes in with the test tube right there. That's how they get their name. And this is the way it looks. Let me just hold it up out of the box. It comes in this cute little test tube. You can do all kinds of things. I use this with my makeup brushes. I've loaded paint supplies. I've been doing DIYs. I've been putting a lot of stuff like scissors and markers. So I use this all the time just for storage, and it's really pretty handy. Okay, so also in the box, they sent this little postcard, and it's called, "In an effort to be more sustainable in 2021, we've taken our booklet digital." I'm not a fan of that. I like my paper brochure. But since I already knew this, because I opened it, I went ahead and printed everything out because I'm on my phone and I can't read my phone while I'm recording on my phone. So there. So the first thing out, now this was not inside the test tube because this could not fit in the test tube. And this was the first thing, and this is a COSABELLA, and this is a face mask. And this, what they say about this is valued at $18. And they say, now that masks have become both a safety and a fashion statement, having one that enhances your looks is essential. This mask has covered elastic ear straps and a filter pouch opening for simplicity and style. So let's go ahead and open it. It looks like a gold one. And a little postcard right here. Yes, it is a gold mask with like a lace trim on the inside. Nice, I will cut that out. But here's the way it looks. What do you guys think of my new face mask? It is very breathable as far as these face masks are concerned. So that's nice. A face mask. I'll take it. The box is this, and this is MANNA KADAR, and this is Sea Mineral Face Mask, and the retail price of this is $19. And what this is a mist, a spray, or a spritz, whatever you want to call it. This is the ultimate pickup for dry, dull, lackluster skin. And it says apply it after moisturizer as an hydrating, glow enhancing finisher. So very good. And this is the Ready, Set, Renew. And they say you will either get this one, the Ready, Set, or Renew, or you might get your Wake Up and Glow face mist. So I guess might get a different product in their box, depending. So that's cool. And the next one out is this, and this is NewBeauty, and this is Resurfacing Compound, and the price of this is $58. What this is, this resurface, brightens, and tightens all in one go. Within 3 to 6 days, expect the appearance of smaller pores, yes, thank you very much, and smoother, revitalized, and brighter skin. And what you do, you pat your face dry after you cleanse, and then you apply 1 to 2 pumps of this resurfacing compound into the palm and gently massage it into the skin. And what is in this, it says, wow, it has something called Serum capsule, and it is full of stable retinol, vitamin C and E, antioxidants, hyaluronic acid, peptides, and AHAs to target and treat damaged skin cells while preserving healthy skin cells. $58. $58 for this, guys. See what I'm talking about? I paid $30 for this box. Never disappointed in this box. And this is the way it looks. It comes like in a little pump, as you can see. So let me see what it looks like. That's the way it looks like. It has a slight smell, but it's not perfumey. It's just a serum smell. Is that even what it is? A serum? It's a compound. They're calling it a compound. So very good. I mean, come on. Okay, and here is something else. Another great skincare product, guys. And this is an anti-pollution sleeping mask, and I love sleeping masks. The value on this is $23. And what you do, it says, before you snuggle beneath the sheets, apply an even layer on cleansed skin. The powerful barrier-boosting active that fights against dehydration and bacillus extract, a gentle and natural exfoliant. Wow, come on. $23, guys. Awesome. And that's the way the tube looks. Well, let's just see what it looks like. There we go. Oh, looks just like a lotion. no smell at all. I smell nothing. Wonderful skincare, wonderful skincare. This is why I love this box. Wonderful. Okay, now we have something else in here, and this is one of the OK products. It's like the face mask. It's here, but I'm so happy with the other ones. I'm not complaining. I'm happy to get this. This is just a small tube of MARVIS toothpaste, and this is touted by Drew Barrymore. Who knew? And this toothpaste is one of the few smile care products that have made it into her routine. This Italian-made must-have simultaneously, did I say that right? Helps prevent tooth decay, whitens and kills bad breath. Plus, it comes in 7 different unique flavors. And it says your tube will either contain the classic strong mint or jasmine mint. And what did I get? Classic strong mint. Oh, it's already safety sealed, so I'm not going to bother with it right now. But we will give it a try. If Drew Barrymore says it's good, it's good. I like Drew. Okay, and another fantastic skincare product, guys. This one is a serum. $69 is what this cost. This is East 29th Vital Serum, and this serum is a high concentration of all natural ingredients that goes directly into the skin after cleansing to improve hydration, texture, and tone, while also firming, promoting elasticity, and smoothing wrinkles. After you cleanse your skin, you lightly massage a few drops of this serum into any area of the skin, and then follow with a moisturizer. This all-in-one serum gives skin your daily dose of hyaluronic acid, niacinamides, and AHAs to keep it clear and glowy. And like I said, $69, guys. Awesome box. Remember, I paid $30 for this box, and this is fantastic skincare. I mean, you see what the ingredients of this stuff is. And this is the way it looks. It comes in a dropper. And how did they say use it? It says, after you cleanse, you massage a few drops of this serum onto any area of the skin. Okay, oh, let me see. It has a skincare smell, but it's not perfumey or anything. Nothing bad. It does have a scent, but nothing horrible. All right, and I have a couple more items in here, guys. I have a small little La Roche-Posay, and I didn't have any information on this one, but this is just a vitamin C serum, and it just says apply in the morning on face and neck, avoid eye area, and use with SPF protection. So that's probably just like a one-time use sample. And then the last thing out is a lip scrub, which is Ada lip scrub. And the price of this is $14. And this says banish dry lips with this nourishing, exfoliating, vegan lip scrub. And what this has, it has cocoa seed butter, jojoba oil, and shea butter, and some of the most nourishing ingredients in the skincare game. And also it has natural sugar beads. So it's a nice little lip scrub for you. So like I said, guys, this whole box, the retail value, I believe, was $205. And remember, I paid $30 for it. That's why I love this box. I'm always excited. So once again, we got this, which is a Vital Serum called East 29th. We got this sleeping mask, an anti-pollution sleeping mask. We got the lip scrub. We got the little Drew Barrymore toothpaste. We got the NewBeauty Resurfacing Compound. We have a small vitamin C sample from La Roche-Posay. And we have a face mist from MANNA KADAR. And I have a face mask. So that is everything in my box this month. Once again, blown away and loved it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and today is the first day of spring, and I hope you guys are getting out there and enjoying it. And what was your favorite product in this box? Okay, I'll see you on my next video.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.